Today we want to show you how to do a quick sizing using the Ramén PRO Sizing tool powered by FIRST Conval. Let's start. After you open the Pro Sizing tool, you want set the units. Next, enter the valve description and tag number, then select the media and if you want, add the process design data. Next, we're going to enter our process data. First, check if the units of measure is correct and change it, if necessary, to the desired units. Now enter the process data starting with the maximum flow conditions. Inlet temperature, then the inlet pressure, then the outlet pressure, or as in our case, we enter the differential pressure. Next, we need to enter the mass flow rate or volumetric flow rate. Next, we will enter the normal or mean flow conditions. When done, we will enter the minimum flow condition. Please note, you do not need to have all three flow conditions to size for a Ramén control valve. After you're done with the process data, then select the pipe size and pipe material. In our case, we keep the box tick that indicated pipe size is the same as valve size. Next, go to the Control Valve tab, choose the appropriate make, and then the trim number. Below in the information area, you will see the material combination of the different trims. Next, we select the valve size that could intuitively be pre-selected by Pro Sizing tool. Next, we will look at the flow curve to see if our operating points on the curve is right, and it looks great. Now go to Send Calculation by Email to Ramén Valve tab. In the top menu bar, complete the message and press Send. Then a Ramén sales engineer will contact you soon. Now check your email for your sizing report. Go to the Ramén product platform and select your valve you have sized. Thank you for watching, and good luck sizing with the Pro Sizing tool.